A coalition of civil rights groups have filed another lawsuit to block school districts from displaying the Ten Commandments in classrooms. It's the third lawsuit filed, and as a federal judge has already barred some districts from implementing the new state law, KVUE's Daniel Perot explains tonight.
Across Texas, posters like these seen at Hayes CISD campuses continue to pop up. Senate Bill 10 requires public schools to put the Ten Commandments in classrooms if the posters are donated.
SB 10 displays are unconstitutional and no school district should be posting them.
A group of families filed a new federal lawsuit against 14 school districts, including Georgetown ISD. It's an effort to stop posters from being put up in more districts after a federal judge issued a temporary injunction in the ACLU's initial lawsuit against 11 school districts, saying the law is likely unconstitutional.
They have an independent obligation to uphold their students' constitutional rights, and that obligation cannot be overridden by any other state or federal law.
Attorney General Ken Paxton, whose office is defending the school districts as part of this new law, says the ruling and temporary injunction in the previous lawsuit was flawed and is appealing it. Similar laws in Arkansas and Louisiana have also been at least partially blocked by courts.
Nothing is more deep-rooted in the fabric of our American tradition of education than the Ten Commandments.
A spokesperson for Georgetown ISD tells KVUE a group called Citizens Defending Freedom is donating posters to the district. They are in the process of receiving them, but nothing's been hung up yet. ACLU attorneys continue to argue requiring schools to display the Ten Commandments violates religious freedoms.
It really interferes with their religious practices and how their family is wanting to bring them up at home.
The state argues it's not coercion because districts only have to put them up if they're donated, and the law doesn't specify what happens if a district doesn't comply. The ACLU disagrees.
It's making them feel targeted for being different. It's making them feel excluded from their peers.
Texas families asking a judge to make the districts take down posters that are already up and not put new ones up as the legal fight plays out. In Austin, Daniel Perot, KVUE News.